Looking for the best and latest main gate designs to make your entrance stand out in style? Look no further. In this exciting video, we'll showcase the top 2024 main gate designs that are guaranteed to leave a lasting impression. The main gate designs and doors offer security and appealing elements to your home. While selecting the best main gate designs, you need to consider both aesthetics and technical aspects. This video explores the best main gate designs for your home, modern main gate designs, and low-cost simple main gate designs. The main gate design plays a central role in the overall aesthetic of your home. Therefore, you should explore the range of main gate designs before finalizing the perfect one. While choosing the best front door designs, you also need to consider the safety aspects of the main gate. The form and the design style of the main gate give an attractive quality to the main gates. The primary reason for making the main gates is to provide security, and therefore the main gate designs should have adequate strength. Iron, steel, and aluminum are the most widely used materials for house gate designs. These materials provide good strength and allow customized main gate designs due to their workability. Residential gates can be built from various materials like steel, aluminum, wrought iron, glass, or wood. Metal gates are usually the strongest, but as long as they're well made, all types provide good security. From modern and sleek to classic and intricate, these designs are perfect for creating a grand entrance to your home or commercial property. Get inspired by the innovative use of materials, unique patterns, and cutting-edge technology. Don't miss out on giving your property the perfect finishing touch. Watch now and start envisioning the perfect main gate for your space. Gates are important for two main reasons: keeping our place safe and making it look good. Thus, it's important to think carefully before you select your next main gate design. In this video, we explore some of the trendy main gate designs you can use to decorate your home effortlessly. These designs are quite versatile, and you can get them created in the size and material of your choice. Join us as we explore the latest trends and cutting-edge technologies that are revolutionizing the world of main gate design. Get inspired and transform your entrance into a captivating masterpiece. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on home decor and design. Stay tuned for the ultimate guide to the top main gate designs of 2024.